If you're in the market for an awesome electronic spin scrubber, you're gonna wanna check out this one right here, the HOTO. These are the different pieces that you get inside. We're gonna open it. So this is the box. It comes really nicely packaged, where this is exactly what it looks like inside. So I'm gonna walk you through all this. You have your instruction guide right here, and then I'm gonna get this set up and walk you through all the different pieces that it comes with. All right, so these are the pieces. You have a pole here that is extendable. This is really nice, high quality. If you want to extend it, you're gonna turn it this way, and now it's locked in, so you could do that. This is the actual base, so this is the thing that is going to move and do all the scrubbing. You just hit that button right there. So different speeds there. I'm gonna show you this in use in a second, but if you wanted to put this on the pole, you're gonna put this just like that, and then you're gonna turn it so it is locked in, and then you can start using it. So these are the two right here, and then you get a ton of attachments, which is really nice. You get this brush right down here. So this is nice. This just connects into the base. And then you get this attachment. This is actually genius. So this is going to go on the same way we did the pole. And this is Velcro. And the reason this is Velcro is because you get this right here. This is another scrubber you get. And all you do here is put that to the Velcro and it sticks. The Velcro is really strong. It's really nice. So you get that. And then you get this pad as well, which sticks to the Velcro. You get this scrubber as well, sticks to the Velcro. And then you get these two mini brushes right here. These just attach into the base, and you get the charger. So let's get this charged up, and I'm gonna show you exactly how it works. And then you also get this really nice bag to put everything in. All right, so I want to get this clean right here, which has some residue on it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this brush head right here. So literally just going to turn this on, hold it down, and it's going to get in there just like that. You can see it's all just being removed really well. This is just on the first speed. You can see this thing is absolutely spotless. Absolutely love this thing. Can't wait to keep using it more. You'll see all the debris is kind of going all over it. I'm just gonna wipe that off. But if you were looking for a great scrubber, could not recommend this one enough.